The flat products supplied by Teknacorp are the perfect solution for isolating pipe sections and controlling flow precisely when placed between flanges. Manufactured according to ASME B16.48 standards, they guarantee maximum safety and efficiency in your operations, where they are used to obtain positive isolation of a line, section, or equipment during a maintenance procedure or flow control requirement. Teknacorp specializes in a wide range of flat products, including paddle blinds, paddle spacers, spectacle blinds, and Orifice plates. Manufactured in carbon steel ASTM A516 grade 70 and stainless steel 304 and 316, these products are customizable to meet your specific design, materials, and code requirements. We offer a variety of configurations to accommodate a broad range of service fluids, pressures, and temperatures. We offer flexible logistics options, including FCA, CIF, and DDP deliveries in Mexico and Colombia. Our team is ready to assist you with your flat product needs. Contact us at sales@teknacorp.com or call +1 713 429 4149.